That is a highly accurate and comprehensive breakdown of how wood interacts with water and the mechanics of tannin leaching. You perfectly captured the distinction between mechanical filtration, like your 20-inch jumbo bags, and chemical filtration, such as activated carbon or synthetic adsorbents. Since your guide addresses two very different scenarios, the approach to managing these dissolved organics shifts dramatically depending on whether the system is meant for aquatic life or household use. Aquarium environments. The Blackwater benefit. In the aquarium hobby, the presence of wood and the resulting tannins are often intentionally cultivated rather than removed. Aquarists frequently design blackwater biotopes to mimic natural river systems. Health benefits. Tannins possess mild antibacterial and antifungal properties that can boost the immune systems of fish. Water chemistry. Humic and tannic acids naturally soften the water and gently lower the pH, which is ideal for tropical species like tetras, discus, and certain cichlids. Behavioral comfort. Tinted water diffuses harsh lighting, significantly reducing stress and encouraging natural foraging behaviors in shy or nocturnal species. Whole house water storage tanks. If the wood is submerged in a general water storage tank meant for household use, tannins transform from a biological benefit into a practical nuisance. While generally safe for consumption, they present several domestic issues. Aesthetic staining. Tannin-rich water can permanently stain porcelain sinks, bathtubs, toilets, and light-colored laundry. Taste and odor. High concentrations of dissolved organic compounds can impart a bitter, earthy taste to drinking water and cooking. Treatment interference. Organics can interfere with other water treatment processes, such as UV sterilization, by reducing water clarity and blocking optimal light penetration. Filtration efficacy comparison. Filtration type target material effectiveness on tannins maintenance frequency mechanical, bag filters, debris, physical wood fibers, silt ineffective wash or replace monthly chemical, carbon, dissolved organics, odors, colors highly effective replace every 3, for weeks synthetic, adsorbents,
तो दोस्तों पिछली
dissolved
वीडियो में कई
organics,
कमेंट आए थे
severe
कि ये
staining
फिल्टर काम करता है
exceptionally
या नहीं
effective
करता है, तो मैं
regenerate
उनको
when
रिजल्ट
dark
दिखा रहा
brown.
हूँ। तो हमारी
Whether
वीडियो
dealing with
देखकर
an
एक
aesthetic
कस्टमर का
choice for
कॉल
an
आया था कि भैया
ecosystem
आप
or a
हमारे यहाँ
plumbing
पर भी ये
necessity for
फिल्टर
a
लगा
home,
दीजिए। और फिर मैं उनके
managing
वहाँ
dissolved
गया और ये
organics
फिल्टर मैंने
effectively requires
व्यवस्थित
the
प्रॉपर
precise
तरीके से
chemical
लगा दिया
filtration
और
methods you
मैंने उनको
outlined.
बताया कि
What
इस फिल्टर
specific
से
type
होने
of wood are
वाले
you
फायदे
currently
जैसे
working
कि
with?
पानी में
And
मौजूदगी
how
छोटी
large
छोटी
is the
गंदगी
total
मिट्टी
water
और
volume
कैल्शियम
you're
जैसे
trying
कणों
to
को
treat?
हटाकर पानी
You
को
have
साफ
perfectly
करता है।
captured the
इससे
primary
नल जल्दी
advantages
जंग
of
नहीं खाते,
utilizing
बैक्टीरिया और वायरस भी
20-inch
कम
jumbo
होता है।
bag
प्रॉपर
filters.
तरीके से
These
इंस्टॉलेशन
units
कर
are
दिया और भैया
truly
से
the
बोला
heavy
कि आप मोटर
lifters of
चालू कर दीजिए
mechanical
और
water
10 मिनट
filtration,
मोटर चलने के बाद
acting as
कस्टमर
the
को मिलता
critical
है
first
साफ
line of
सुथरा पानी, बिना
defense for
कैल्शियम
both
वाला, बिना
dedicated
मिट्टी
water
वाला। आप खुद
storage
देख
tanks
सकते हैं कि
and
हमारे वाकई में
comprehensive
फिल्टर
whole
ने काम
house
किया
plumbing
है।
networks.
तो आप भी ये
By
फिल्टर लगवा
focusing
सकते हैं। जब
purely
आप
on
साफ
physical
सुथरा पानी यूज
exclusion,
करोगे तो
they
1
set
महीने
the
बाद आप खुद
perfect
रिजल्ट
foundation
देखोगे।
for
ऐसे
any
ही जनरल
secondary
नॉलेज के लिए
treatments,
अपने भाई को
such as the
फॉलो कर ले।
chemical
मिलते हैं
filtration we
नेक्स्ट
discussed
वीडियो में।
earlier.
आपके घर के
Let us
टंकी का
dive
पानी
deeper into the
101 साल
mechanics
तक
of
खराब
why
नहीं
these
होगा यदि
specific
आपने उसमें
benefits are
जामुन की
so
लकड़ी का एक
crucial
टुकड़ा
for
डाल दिया
maintaining
तो
a
देखो
highly
जब पुराने
efficient
समय के
and
लोगों के
safe
पास
water
आरओ
system.
नहीं था तो वो अपने मटके या
Comprehensive
कुएं में
removal
जामुन की
of
लकड़ी का एक
physical
टुकड़ा डाल
impurities.
देते थे क्योंकि
Whether
जामुन
you
की
are
लकड़ी
drawing water
फाइटोकेमिकल
directly from a
रिलीज करती है
private
जो
bore
पानी
well
में
or
कीड़े जमते हैं
relying
उसको
on
ये
a
मार
municipal
देता है और
supply,
अगर ये केमिकल अपने
water
पेट में जाएगा
inevitably
तो अपने
picks
लिए
up
बहुत
traveling
लाभदायक है
debris.
और ये कई
Bore
बीमारियों
well
में
water
लड़ने में मदद
frequently
करता है
carries
इसलिए
fine
पुराने जमाने
sand,
के लोग 100
heavy
साल तक
silt,
जिंदा रहते
and mud
थे।
displaced from deep underground aquifers. Municipal lines, especially in regions with aging subterranean infrastructure, are notorious for shedding flakes of iron rust and pipe scale. A 20-inch bag filter physically traps these abrasive suspended solids before they ever enter your home. By selecting the correct micron rating, often ranging from a highly porous 50 micron down to an ultrafine 1 micron, you can precisely target and eliminate the exact size of the particulate matter clouding your water supply, safeguarding expensive appliances and infrastructure. The true financial value of a jumbo bag filter is most evident in appliance longevity. Unfiltered hard particulates act like liquid sandpaper, slowly degrading the internal components of your household plumbing over time. Washing machines and dishwashers. Sediment frequently clogs the delicate solenoid inlet valves, causing mechanical failures, restricted water flow, or internal leaks. Geysers. Water heaters, silt, and mud inevitably settle at the bottom of heating tanks, creating a dense, insulating layer of sludge. This forces the heating element to work much harder, driving up your daily energy costs and causing the element to burn out prematurely. RO purifiers. High sediment loads will quickly blind the sensitive and expensive semi-permeable membranes of a reverse osmosis drinking unit. The jumbo bag filter acts as a sacrificial shield, extending the life of your fine RO filters, maximizing high flow rates. One of the biggest complaints homeowners have with standard, smaller water filters is